welcome to this baconbits video on managing Ubuntu Firewall with IPTables. In this video, we're going to create a state that will allow ping to go out to our VM. To start off with, let's take a look at the VM itself. And I'm going to do a sudo IPTables l-v. So here we can see we have a couple rules, but we don't have anything for ping. And our default policy is to drop anything that doesn't have a rule for it. So if I move over to my actual computer here, and I ping this VM, it does resolve, but it's not going to respond back from ping. So let's take a look at the state we're going to use to fix this. Go over to Profiles and States. And I already have one made here. So first off, what we'll do in this state is flush the existing rule set. Next up, we'll keep any established connections. And then right here, starting at line 19, this is going to allow us to accept ping on our input chain. And then I also have this SSH rule since that's how I'm connected to the server, so I want to keep that in place. And then moving forward from here, this is where you can define your default chain policy. So in this case, we're going to keep drop on the input chain and then keep accept for both the forward and the output chains. All right, so let's go ahead and get this pushed over to that server. So I'll make a brand new profile. This one I'll call baconbits, Ubuntu Firewall. Select our platform as Ubuntu. The default refresh rate of 60 minutes is fine for this. And I'll choose my state here. Alright, so I'll cut for time here, and we'll rejoin back once this job is completed. Alright, so now this job is done, let's take a look at the log. So you can see here that it's going to go through each of those different steps. So it'll first flush the table, then add our rule sets, then add our defaults. Let's take a look at the VM itself. Alright, so first let's take a look at the IP table rule. And here we can see we have our new rule on the second line that will allow ping. So we switch over to test it. And we'll ping DBA Ubuntu 2004 LTS. So now we're able to ping that VM. So that's just a quick look at how you can manage IP table rules using Bacon. Thanks for joining us in this baconbits video, and we'll see you next time.